Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Lingo Flamingo channel. Today we're going to dive into the present simple tense. This is a fundamental tense in English grammar, so let's break it down. Let's start with the form of the positive sentence. He, she, or it plus base form of the verb plus es or s. They, we, I, or you plus base form of the verb. For example, he plays football every week. They relax on the beach every summer. We add es to the verbs that ends with ch. For example, crushes, gushes. Sh, for example, stretches, watches. X, for example, mixes, relaxes. O, for example, echoes, does. Ss, for example, tosses, kisses. For the form of the negative sentence, we add he, she, or it plus doesn't plus base form of the verb. They, we, I, you plus don't plus base form of the verb. For example, he doesn't play football every week. They don't relax on the beach every summer. Now for the questions. First, we have the yes or no question. We add does plus subject plus base form of the verb plus question mark. Do plus subject plus base form of the verb plus question mark. For example, does he play football every week? Do they relax on the beach every summer? Second, we have the question using a question word. We add question word plus does or do plus subject plus base form of the verb plus question mark. For example, when does he play football? Where do they relax every summer? Now to the question, when can we use the present simple? The present simple is used to talk about habits, routines, general truths, fixed times, likes and dislikes. 1. Habits and routines. For example, I brush my teeth twice a day. She reads every night before bed. 2. Fixed time. For example, we usually have breakfast at 7 a.m. The bus leaves for work at 8:15 sharp. 3. General truth. For example, the earth revolves around the sun. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Now, here's where some intermediate learners get confused. Adverbs of frequency are adverbs of time that answer the question how frequently or how often. They tell us how often something happens. These are the adverbs of frequency: never, rarely, sometimes, often, usually, always. They are added before the verb in the sentence. For example, I usually eat breakfast at my office, but after verb to be and can. For example, she is always late. That's it for today. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing the present simple tense, and you'll become a grammar pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English grammar tips. See you next time!